Hi guys, welcome to another interesting cooking video. So myself and my kids, we paid our big mommy a visit, and as a mommy who loves feeding her kids healthy meals, I decided to make this lovely veggie sauce for the kids in the house. This sauce is amazing and it's been my family's special Sunday meal. So you want to relax and enjoy watching this video to the very end as I share the recipe with you guys. Please like the video while you watch. So guys, these are the key ingredients that I'm going to use in making this lovely Sunday special meal. Okay, so here is broccoli, here is baby carrot, here is onion. I have red scotch pepper, very spicy because I don't want the sauce to be boring. Okay, so this is Irish potatoes, yellow bell pepper, and this is orange bell pepper and red bell pepper, and this is chicken breast. These are not all the ingredients, I don't think so. You guys, so let's start cooking Sunday special meal. Okay, so guys, right after talking, I had to clean all the ingredients that I'm using to cook. As you can see, I'd already chopped the chicken into pieces. So here I'm spicing up the chicken. I just added non-seasoning cubes, salt, basil leaf, curry powder, ginger powder. I'll just list all the ingredients that I used in the description box. Okay, so here I'm mixing everything properly. Meanwhile guys, the gas is on at this point while I'm adding everything. Okay, so here I'm adding onions, chopped onions. So after adding the chopped onions, it was at this point I added water to the steaming pot, and after adding water I added curry powder. Curry powder was the last ingredient that I added to the steaming pot, and I stirred everything together to mix them properly and allowed the chicken to cook for a few minutes. Meanwhile guys, Big Mommy and her friend they were actually with me in the kitchen watching what I'm doing, and they had a very hilarious conversation while I was cooking. So anyway guys, I totally enjoyed their hilarious conversation as it made the whole cooking process so fun. Okay, so as you can see my darlings, after frying the chicken for a few minutes, I added the sauce back into the pot and stirred, then allowed it to cook for a few minutes while I went ahead to wash the broccoli. I had another warrior with me in the kitchen, which is my daughter. She loves staying with me in the kitchen whenever I am cooking. You want to see what I'm doing? Sorry, I'm soaking the broccoli. Learn about it. I'm soaking the broccoli with hot water.
I know that. Not too much.
So guys, right after I got done with soaking the broccoli in boiled water with salt, yes, I had to emphasize on the boiled water, not just hot water, boiled water. So after I got done with that, I mixed corn flour in water just to avoid lumps before adding it to the pot. And even after adding it to the pot, I stirred properly, and then I went ahead to add the scotch bonnet pepper, or rather bonnet scotch pepper to the sauce. This pepper is very spicy, and just like I mentioned earlier, I don't like boring sauce, so that's why I added the pepper to make it a little bit spicy, not too spicy, since kids are actually going to be eating this food as well. So here I'm adding parboiled Irish potatoes. Okay, I probably didn't remember to film when I was parboiling the Irish potato because I was really very much in a hurry while I was cooking this food. I mean, everybody's waiting to eat this food. So here I added carrots, baby carrots, and should in case I didn't remember to mention earlier on, guys, these veggies were already frozen, like they were frozen, so I didn't have to fry them first before adding to the sauce. That's how I usually make sauce anyway, but here I just chopped them into pieces after letting them defrost, and then I added them to the cooking pot and allowed everything to cook together. Please, at this point the sauce was ready. Okay, please, I allowed everything to cook together for a few minutes. So my darlings, everybody enjoyed this food.
Yeah. Could you eat with food?
I would even love to learn it.
To learn Morocco food?
Yes.
She wants to learn it and put it in.
Ma.
I learn a lot of the talent.
YouTube learning, ba?
She wants to learn it and
Your
put
sister,
it
she has YouTube channel or what?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
do.
Okay, I need to have your name. I can start watching you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That would be
How is
nice.
it, mommy's good job? Because we need money.
YouTube.
YouTube people, they make it up.
Chobi, are you eating? Huh? Now? Okay. I need a plate, please. Does Kosi eat at all? Huh?
Let's stand up.
See this boy, I've never seen him. Oh my god! But this is not Chick-fil-A.
The Chick-fil-A one is coming soon.
Okay, my darlings, at this point I have obviously come to the end of today's cooking video, and I totally enjoyed cooking this meal for my big family. And everyone enjoyed eating this food, including my kids. See you in my next video. Bye bye.